Hey yo, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Well, if you remember the last video, I used to have a fence here. Yeah, we tore all that down today. Did a whole bunch of other stuff as well, after work of course. And helped with a few oil changes and some automotive repairs and stuff like that. And got another refrigerator for the shed, and it was getting cleaned up. I pulled some more stuff out, but we're making progress. We're making progress. You know, you can see the floor, and I just brought this inside because it's starting to rain. But yeah, eventually this big old thing will be going in the man room. It was free, so it's solid and it has a lock on it so I can keep my beer safe. Anyway, just a little update. Like I said, yeah, it still needs to be organized and everything, but it's a little bit better. We're getting there. Small steps, baby steps. Alright, thank you all. Appreciate y'all subscribing. Y'all have a good evening. I'm going to bed.